What are easy ways to add the current date or time to an Excel worksheet? Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Square Technologies. In this tech tip, I'll share some quick ways to add the date or time in Excel using shortcuts and functions. When you want to add the current date or time in Excel, stop typing it manually. Instead, try these keyboard shortcuts. For the current date, Control, semicolon. For the current time, Control, colon. Of course, you need to make sure that the cells or column of cells are formatted for dates. And it's good to know that these are direct entries and won't update or change as the date or time changes. These shortcuts can be huge time savers, especially if you have a lot of date entries to add in a spreadsheet. If you'd like to have the current date or time update in a worksheet, try these Excel functions. The Now function will display the current date and time if the cell or cells are formatted to include the time. The Today function represents the current date. Now, although you won't see the time dynamically update every minute, the time will recalculate every time the worksheet updates. So here's a simple example of how you might use the Today function. It's simply equal today, open close paren. We don't have to have anything in those arguments. Minus, and here we're referencing a date received. So this formula shows you the number of days from the date received and the current date. This is possible because dates in Excel have a numeric value. And the magic behind this is that this will continue to update based upon the current date. How will you be able to use these keyboard shortcuts or functions the next time you want to work with the current date and time in Excel? In this K-Square tech tip, you've seen how to work with the current date and time in Excel. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.